Little baby wheelie test run right there. YouTube, please don't demonetize me for that. I might cut that out. Bike is legit, all registered since like 2 months ago. Still winter, so people aren't really looking out for bikers, so I gotta be very careful. Make sure I do hooligan stuff where there's no cars around and less traffic. Man, this floor, this ground sucks. Nope. Not sticking. Not sticking. Let's go down Sumner. Undies, pull up my boxes. So yeah, how do you guys like this hyper view on this new GoPro 11? Not bad, eh? Uh-oh, cop number one. Cop number one, are you gonna look at me? Nope. So yeah, first ride and new parts, baby. Let's go. Can I get up in third gear? A little bit, yeah. That was more comfy than second gear. It can pop up a little bit in third gear. Oh yeah. Bumpy, so bumpy. These roads are so bumpy in Massachusetts. Eeh. Springfield, Massachusetts. Let's I don't know. Do I want to go towards downtown? Yeah, let's just go towards downtown. So after sitting for a good 2, almost 3 months, I think the bike started up pretty well. It didn't you know, stutter or anything, hesitate to start. That's a good sign. This battery's pretty good. Had to get a new battery last year. I got it from O'Reilly. O'Reilly. Dang, it still smells like skunk out here. This is Forest Park. This is a nice area. Very old schoolish, big house area. Blinker, don't forget the blinker. Nice Ford Focus. That might be the RS. I think it's the RS. Maybe he debadged it. Brembo big brake kits. Ford Focus RS. I'm recording you, my guy. Smile for the camera, man, at least. Jeez. So this GoPro has this new battery. It's called the Enduro battery. Supposedly it gives up to 38% more life. We'll see. I don't have hyper smooth on, so that should help with the battery life. This way. Take a right here. This guy is going straight. Big ass car wash. Jeez. Oh, it's like a dealership car wash. Ugh. I still haven't thought about getting a quick shifter again. I don't know. Maybe I should. I really should. Because sometimes I don't know what gear I'm in. So sometimes I'll be forgetting. Roads are too bumpy. Can't do these bumpy roads. Hey, yo. Even in stock gearing, this thing pulls, like third gear pulls too. I'm gonna go to that little biker hangout spot real quick, which is a gas station. I don't know if there's people out right now, but go through there, hit the highway back home, call it a day.